Yeah, buddy, yes sir. We're live, boys. Let's get it. Kickstand up, kickstands up. Yes sir. What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. You guys are awesome. Today in this video, we're testing out the new GoPro mount on the motorcycle helmet. My previous upload, I discussed tips and tricks, step-by-step of the way of exactly how this is done. I highly suggest you guys check out that content, check out that video, especially if you own a GoPro. I'll put a link down in the description. The point of today's video is for you to let me know exactly what's bothering you throughout this very short video. Is it the wind noise or is it the camera angle? So while you're watching this video, keep in mind and comment down below, wind or camera angle. But before we get into this video, I'm gonna need you guys to smash that like button for me. Just destroy the like button if you haven't already. Subscribe to this channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss a single upload. Also, share this video. Share this video with anybody. All your friends, anybody that has a GoPro, has a motorcycle, or you just might think that they'd enjoy this content. So let's get back into the video. And don't forget, wind or camera angle? Down below in the comments. Let's get it. Wait, where are we going? I forgot where we were going. I forgot where we're going.
We're gonna go 45 and then 77 and right through downtown. Just follow me.
Oh nice, hell yeah, let's do it. Yes, sir! Yeah, buddy! Yes, sir!
Cold as hell, real quick, bro.
Yes, sir! Yeah, buddy! Yo, is this GoPro recording?
I don't know, you look, yeah, it is.
Yeah? Nice, nice. Nice, hell yeah. These are always dang. Downtown Charlotte, baby. We got construction going on everywhere here. I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad Yes, sir. Woo!